You can easily insert out image using image URL inside of Google Sheets as well. So over here you can see that I have some blank cells, and let's say I want to insert this image over here onto this sheet. So in order to do that, first of all, you can see that I have this image from Pixabay, and now I'm going to copy its URL from the URL bar right here, or you can right click and click on copy image address if you're on a web page, and then you can go back right here. So now in order to add an image, you can simply go over here, press equals, and if you were to type in image, you can go around, click on this, and then you can open up double inverted comma right here, press Ctrl V, close the double inverted comma, and then simply close the bracket. So once you do that, you can see that the image is here. Depending on your internet connection speed, it might take some time as well. As you increase the size of the cell, you can see that the size of the image increases as well. But there's a little gap, as you can see. If you don't want the little gap, then you can go around onto the formula, press comma right here, press 2 right here, and what happens is that it stretches the image out just like that. And that is how you can insert images inside of Google Sheets directly using an image URL. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.